is it?
You want something?
What do you say?
Everyone else got to open a present. What's in there, Meg? Oh. Can't see a dang thing. Oh, what's in there?
She put it on the top. What is it, Maggie? What is it? Is it for Maggie? What could it be? You're going to have one? What is it? What is it?
Oh, okay.
What is it? Is it for me? Everybody open one present. We say. Sit down. Sit down. Be a good puppy. We say.
Pull out your tricks, Meg.
Give me your paw. Good girl.
What do you got, Kitty?
I'm satisfied now.
Mm-hmm.